Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. In this video we will explore one of the main and most important features in the app. We will learn to set up self-employment businesses and properties so that it tracks the types of income you have, and we will show you how to select the most appropriate record-keeping methods for each type of business. Click on the Quarterly Updates menu to access the feature that lets you record and submit your digital records. We can see that we have configured the app to record two categories of business. We can record self-employment income and UK property income. Customers can change these categories via the My MTD settings menu. Provided you enabled the MTD ITSA service, the setup wizard will ask you to select which income types you wish to manage. For simplicity, we do not display the categories at the top of the screen if you only selected one income type. Customers can add multiple self-employment businesses and multiple properties using the Add button at the bottom of the screen. To edit the information relating to a self-employment business or property, simply click on the settings icon. You can update the name and address of the business or property. There are some slight variations if you are recording income for foreign properties. For example, you will be required to select the country and the default currency for each country. You will be given the option to record income and expenses in both UK sterling and the default currency of each country. Another slight variation: the ITSA settings option at the bottom of the screen will only appear after you have linked the app to your HMRC account. We will use this screen to select which record-keeping method we wish to use. Let's take a moment to explore why we included this level of flexibility. We provide a simple record-keeping method that lets you record the date and the amount along with a note for each income and expense transaction. It will prompt you to select the correct expense type, and you can use your phone to take a photo of the expense receipt. Depending on the settings you selected in the MTD settings wizard, you may or may not be prompted for the following. If you have enabled the bank integration feature, the system will prompt you to connect a business or property to a bank account. Note that after enabling the bank feature, you will need to first connect the app to your bank before you are able to select the appropriate bank account. If you have enabled the VAT feature, you will have the facility to record VAT on income and transactions. It may not be appropriate to record VAT on a particular business or property. The app will therefore prompt you as to whether you wish to record VAT for each specific business. Once you finish setting up the business or property, you will notice there is an amber alert notifying you that this business is not linked to the appropriate business registered with HMRC. It is important to understand how this works. Customers will need to register each self-employment business via their HMRC tax account on the HMRC website. They should also configure their tax account on the HMRC website if they have UK property or foreign property. HMRC require customers to do this outside of our app. After you connect our app to your HMRC account using the MTD ITSA menu on the home screen, you will be prompted to link the business you set up in Rhino to the equivalent business in your HMRC tax account. Once linked, you will be able to submit your quarterly updates for each business. Of course, this provides great flexibility in that you can start recording your digital transactions in our app and connect the app later when you need to submit your quarterly returns. Note you only need to connect each business to HMRC once, and it stores this setting for future submissions. The user interface will vary slightly depending on the digital record-keeping method you select. The most straightforward and recommended method is the simple record-keeping method. Once you have completed setup, you just click on the buttons under the income and expense totals to update your income and expense transactions. It is that simple. If you selected the spreadsheet option, you will be prompted to download our MTD-compatible spreadsheet containing the valid expense types for each income type. You will notice that the links to enter income and expenses have disappeared because you selected to maintain your digital records outside of our app. When you connect the business to HMRC, you will see an upload button that will let you select the populated spreadsheet, and it will submit it on your behalf. There is one significant difference between self-employment businesses and UK or foreign property businesses. HMRC require you to maintain digital records for each self-employment business, and you must submit a quarterly submission for each business. UK property and foreign property is different. You must maintain digital records for each individual property, but you only submit a quarterly submission for each type of property and not for each individual property. This is why you will see a summary section at the top of the UK property and foreign property screens. I know we covered a lot of ground in this video, but it really covers 90% of what MTD is all about. The only other thing you need to do is to connect the app to your HMRC tax account, which is covered in another training video. We expect that this might be a little daunting because it is all new, but on a positive note, once you get it set up and you are into the swing of things, you should find it relatively straightforward. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.